kids' air conditioning goes bad this weekend, American Home Shield says, let your kids sweat till Wednesday. Pipe doctor's here in a half hour.
There you go.
Pipe.
Getting paid to lay good pipe. But who did your gas piping for this, by the way? What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Sunday morning, Memorial Day weekend, May 26th, 2024. Leading by example, ladies and gentlemen. Leading by example. It is 10 minutes to 8 here in the morning. In beautiful state of New York. Actually, it's a real miserable day out. Look at that. Look at that. Miserable day. I am leading by example, ladies and gentlemen. We have 3 things to resolve this morning. I have a pool heater service call that we installed last year. Apparently, the homeowner says, I don't know what I'm doing. I need some help. And I said, okay. We're running emergency service calls on Sunday. I'll head out and I'll see you probably around 8 o'clock in the morning. I had a friend yesterday during the Sabbath services told me that, you know, his central air conditioning zone, 1 of 5 in his home, or 4, for the kids' bedrooms is on the fritz, and the outdoor fan motor, according to this very mechanically inclined individual, is only humming. And I have another emergency service call that they have no cooling. The house is set for 70, it's 75, and it's running, it's just not cooling. Now, the second service call, ladies and gentlemen, is he told me that he called his home warranty company, American Home Shield, and they're going to come on Thursday. I was like, you cheap effing ass. You're going to let your kids schwitz and suffer? Well, it's only 7 degrees outside. I'm like, yeah, but the humidity, and it's raining. I was like, what's your copay? What do they make you pay the service, the trade fee due? And he goes, it's $100. I'm like, I'm going to come to your house for $100. No, I don't want to pay for emergency service call. I was like, listen, I'm going to come, and I bet you it's just going to be one thing. You know what? We try to do something nice for people. Sometimes it bites you in the ass, and I think this is going to be one of those examples. All right, heading to my shop right now. We're just around the corner from that. We're going to hop into the little Metris cargo van, and let's go run these service calls. And I'm taking you along on a ride with me, and I'm going to lead by example. That way, when I ask my team to do something, it's do as I do, not do as I say. And untypical for the Uncensored channel, we're actually going to go through some service calls here. Drive, motherfuckers! I swear, people have no idea how to drive. Don't they know that a red light means stop, you know, and stay, and a green light means go? I don't get it. I just don't get it. All right, let's go. By the way, love that flag. Love the flags. All right. First service call. North Woodmere, South Valley Stream. We got ourselves a Hayward Heat Pro pool heater that is not turning on. Let's go see what's going on. How are you, sir?
Hi, do you remember this place?
Yeah, you got a new pool heater last year.
Yeah.
Can't figure out how to get it on, or?
No, it's the fan. The fan has to go on.
Okay, let's go see.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. And this thing has to.
Yeah, the fan has to turn on, correct. Yeah, it's up to 87. Is it doing anything?
What?
Does it do anything?
I
No.
don't know what you mean.
Does it turn on at all?
I don't know. I don't touch it.
Okay.
I don't touch it.
You backwash the filter, everything's good?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Alright, sucks, but we got ourselves a bad board. You know? We got ourselves a bad board. It is what it is. Sunday, Memorial Day weekend, pool 75 degrees. Well, it's not a pool day anyway. He'll be alright. It sucks. Really, it really does suck. You spend like $6,000 for a pool heater and it dies the next year. You know, it doesn't matter if it's Hayward, Jandy, Pentair. They all can have problems at any given time. All right, next service call. Air conditioning not cooling well. It is 8:25, still Sunday morning. Let's go! Hi, thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
Morning.
Good morning.
Thanks for coming so early.
No problem.
How you doing?
I'm all right, how are you?
Good. Okay,
The air conditioning is not cooling well.
yeah, it's not cooling well. I changed the filter last night because I thought it might be
Is
that.
it dirty?
It was very dirty.
Very dirty?
I
see it?
I threw it away.
Okay,
Actually,
so it's very, very dirty?
it was very, very dirty. But
Okay.
I changed it.
Yes,
So now
good.
there's a clean one.
And the air's coming out good?
No,
The air's not coming out at all?
it's like very, very
Weak?
Weak.
So it blows out, it's very, very weak.
So yeah, but only it felt like only in here. Like you can. Like I test, like I was feeling a couple of them, like some of them it felt very weakly,
Okay.
others not at all.
Where's the outdoor unit?
Right, it's out.
How do I get to it?
So you gotta go out
And around the whole around the driveway?
all the way around.
Okay,
yeah.
let me go see.
I'm sorry about that.
No problem. What do you want to bet? The system is frozen. Let's go see. I feel like that guy. It's cold. It's cold. Facts. This shit is frozen. Thank you very much. Oh, you turned it off.
No, so that one's just the heat.
Oh.
The air is upstairs.
Okay, let's go. All right, fan on, cool off. Okay. That's the filter. That's getting. Well, I'll give you a very good life lesson.
Okay.
Okay. Here's a question. Not to insult your intelligence at all.
No, not at all.
If you hop in your car and you're driving to wherever, and it's just not driving right, or it's making a weird noise, like, what would you do? Would you either A, keep going to your destination, B, drive to like a mechanic, or C, pull over and call tow truck?
Probably pull over cold source.
Okay. So your air conditioning, similar principle. If you sense something's not working right, turn it off. Your system is frozen, solid.
So I said to turn it off, and my wife said, no, just leave it on. So we're really insulting my wife's intelligence.
I guess we know who wears the pants in the family.
100%.
The system is completely frozen.
Uh-huh.
So the reason why there's very little airflow coming out of, more than likely, obviously this has to melt, and it may take a few days for it to melt, by the way. And you may get water from your ceiling as well, because it's that much ice. So there's, more than likely, because outside the copper line that's a little bit is not insulated, it's completely covered with ice, like thick ice. So your coil inside the blower, the air handler, has a sheet of ice on it. Literally a sheet, it could be like an iceberg. That's gonna have to melt. Fan on, cool off, and when that airflow is restored, probably tomorrow, or maybe the next day, you'll turn that on. And you will sense, you know, when you turn it on, before you turn it on, you're gonna notice the air is strong again. If it's not, you call us back, we come back.
Okay. Do you know why it froze?
Dirty filter, more than likely. If it was that dirty, you're restricting airflow, and the system coil freezes up. Okay. Now
let me show you the filter.
Yeah, I'll show you the filter. Because if it's not the dirty filter, it's lack of refrigerant, or you could have a bad blower motor that's slowly dying. But it's usually not. If the system is dirty filter, let's go see. You have the posse coming.
This is what
yeah, that's pretty dirty.
Yeah.
Yep, you're good.
Big.
So leave it off.
Fan on, cool off.
Till tomorrow.
At least till tomorrow.
We only have one fan in the Mario room.
No, not that.
Not that fan, a different fan.
Wow.
Okay, and then... all right. Second service call done, 8:33. At this point, I figured, you know what? I'm not even going to bother charging them anything. I didn't charge anything for the first service call because really nothing I could do. And without a board. But I did make the homeowner aware that we could buy a board for you. We could probably have it on Tuesday. And he goes, get the board. Don't wait for a warranty. I'm like, okay, deal. Some people like instant gratification. This guy, I was like, listen, the filter is filthy. And yeah. So no charge for that. So we're going on my last service call so far. I didn't check the emails if anyone left a message this morning yet, but maybe I'll make $100. Oh, fuck my life. It's all right. It's all right. You know what? I'm driving around in a mobile billboard, a billboard on wheels, literally. See that? My truck is wrapped. All my trucks are wrapped. It's just more advertising and branding, you know? So worst case scenario, you know, it's not like I'm paying, you know, one of the guys, you know, overtime, 100 something plus an hour, plus, you know, taxes and all that other bullshit, you know, so it's not so bad, right? I could be out some money. All right, next service call. We think it's something. I think it's something. I love you guys. Before we get to the service call, drop your comment. What do you think we got going on here? You ready? Let's go. All right, here we go. And for my close friends who are watching right now, I'm sure you all recognize where we are. Oh, man. Okay. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Which one you think it is? All right, so the homeowner says it's this one. Man, someone cheated with the gas piping. Oh my God, they cheated. All right, what are they daisy chained together? No way. Yeah, we got a Hummer. Oh yeah, we got a Hummer, baby. Wow. Talk about getting lucky on the first try. Oh, we got a Hummer. We got a Hummer, mama. We got ourselves a Hummer.
Just keep it on?
Yeah, I turned it off already.
Is that?
I turned it off already.
Okay.
We got ourselves a Hummer. All right.
Hummer first thing in the morning's good.
Yeah. I think this will probably be the fastest $100 I ever made.
Right.
Minus
110.
Why, tax?
Well, you get the tax.
Yeah, yeah. But your kids get gratification. God willing. You know what? Because I could have just already been jinxing myself. She's a Hummer. All right, let's discharge our capacitor. Capacitor, 50/5. What do you think? Think this is bad?
It doesn't look so good.
I know it doesn't look good. Looks great actually. Usually when they swell up like they're pregnant. Yeah. This one does not look like she's pregnant. Let's see. We'll test one-handedly. Arrgh. Nothing there. Nothing there either. Let's give her a shake. Quiet. Uh-oh.
What?
I don't know. You may have to call American Home Shield again.
Oh, really?
No, we'll see. Look, it tests bad, but it fails. It passes the shake test. All right, the new dual capacitor is installed. Let's button her up, turn her on. The moment of truth. Dum da dum dum da dum da dum. Hey!
So my kid's air conditioning goes bad. Is it on?
Yeah.
My kid's air conditioning goes bad this weekend. American Home Shield says, let your kids sweat till Wednesday. Pipe doctor's here in a half hour.
There you go. Getting paid to lay good pipe. But who did the gas piping for this, by the way?
My old
Oh my God. He should be shot. All right. Your kids are not schwitzing anymore like momsers. Oh. All right, ladies and gentlemen. This concludes my Sunday morning compilation of 3 service calls. And let's do some quick math. Service call number 1, 0 revenue. Service call number 2, also 0 revenue. Service call number 3, $100. Cost of goods sold? Well, I put in a Titan Pro. You know, the ones that are made in China with Chinesium. I figured, I'm not going to give them an AMRAD, right? So $100 minus the cost of goods sold. So let's say $90 minus expenses, fuel, wear and tear. General operating expenses the Sunday, so there's really no operational costs like it is during the week, where it's it's significant to put the key in the door every morning. Significant. But most importantly, we have to factor in the belt. My belt broke. My belt broke. Now I feel like Josh. Josh's belt broke on camera.